Hey, it's April from OTH Crochet Nook. Today I want to show you how to connect these jumbo squares. So I've got many comments just like this one. You've watched my video on how to make these gorgeous jumbo granny squares with only your fingers and some jumbo yarn, but how do you connect them? So I'm going to show you in this video a very, very easy way to do just that. So you're going to lay your two squares on top of each other. We're going to be working on the sides of the squares just like that. And I want to show you exactly where you're going to be connecting with your jumbo yarn and looping it through. So you're going to see that you've lined up all your stitches perfectly on each side. That first V and that second V are lined up together. You're going to be looping your jumbo yarn through the inside loops there. So there's going to be an outside loop for each side of the square, if that makes sense. So the inside loops is where you're going to be connecting these squares together. So again, your two V's and those inside loops. So that's how we're going to weave it through to connect your squares. Now with these squares being jumbo, it's perfect. You can see exactly where the corner is, so you know exactly where to start your first loop. So you're going to get your inside loops together and we're going to loop through the yarn. Now this one is the most important because you're going to pull a lot more yarn than you need, only because you want to be able to loop it through that entire side, and if not more, you don't want to get shortchanged within that side that you're working on. So go ahead and find those inside loops so that you can connect the yarn, and you're going to weave it through just like that, very simply. And this actually will not feel tight. It won't feel loose. It's going to feel just right, and it's a little bit stretchy. So it's an excellent way for you to connect the squares without making them feel like they're really tight together. Here's a close-up of the loops together and the inside loops where we are working our jumbo yarn through, just like that. So you're going to go ahead and put your jumbo yarn right through there and pull it out. So again, try not to pull it too tight. Just have it feel relaxed, but not pulling it taut. You don't want to pull it so tight that it just cannot move. Just weave it through and don't think about it so much. Don't pull it too tight or make it too loose. Just kind of go with it and it will be perfectly fine. So you're finding those inside loops and you're just looping through your yarn. And again, this obviously makes it easier if all the colors are the same. So the outside of my granny squares are in this beautiful gold color. So I'm able to use this gold color to weave in. Now there are other ways to do this if the colors are different, or if you want a border, you would be weaving this in completely different, and that will be another video that I could do and share with you, because I have done that as well, where you can add a border while connecting your squares. But now we are just doing our last stitches here and weaving them in and connecting our squares. And I can't wait for you to see how beautiful it looks connected. It looks seamless and flat and just perfect for a blanket. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this over so that you can see exactly what it looks like connected. And there it is. It looks perfect. And you can see how I can pull it. It's not too tight and it's not too loose. It's perfect. It's just right. So I really appreciate all the comments, and I'm happy to show you how you can connect these jumbo squares. If you missed part one, I'm going to link it here so you know how to make these with just your fingers and your jumbo yarn. It's such an easy and fun project. And if you're looking to learn how to crochet with a hook and a yarn, I just launched a series, which I'll also link, and you can learn it in 5 lessons. All my patterns are always free. Check out othcrochetknook.ca.